how to use the new text to image AI tool within Canva, the mobile app. That's what I'm going to be showing you today. So to get started, we just want to go ahead and open up a new project. It really doesn't matter what kind of project that you're opening, but I'm going to hit the little plus icon down on the bottom here. I'm going to go to custom size, and I'll just choose one of these. I'll go to mobile video. So now that we have the project open here, we have different things that we can add, like elements, text, and all of that. What we want to do is we want to scroll all the way over until we see the text to image icon down here. Now, if yours is not showing up here, it might be because you've never used it before. And if that's the case, then you just want to go over to the apps icon, select the apps, and then scroll down until you see the new text to image AI tool here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. And then when we're in the text to image AI tool, we can go ahead and type in whatever we want to see. I'll just put, I don't know, a monkey. Okay. And then before we generate that image, we can actually see all these different styles here that we want to choose from. So they have everything from like 3D to psychedelic, right? I'm going to go ahead and just select, how about 3D model here? We can also select the ratio that we want to see it in. So we can make it landscape or we can make it portrait. I'll go ahead and make it portrait since the canvas size I'm already using is portrait. So now I'll go ahead and create your image. It might take a few minutes here. And apparently sometimes you get something interesting like this. It says it's not meeting the requirements. So let me go ahead and type something else in here. I'll just write surfing during sunset. And I already have everything already selected here. So now we'll go ahead and just create your image. And after it has generated, here are our 4 different options. I can go ahead and select one of them, and it will immediately put it into my project here, and I can resize it, I can crop it, all of that. So yeah, just wanted to come on and give you a quick tutorial of how to use the new text to image AI tool within Canva. In the future, I may do a comparison between the Canva's version and Adobe's version because they got one as well now on Adobe Express. Hopefully this helped you out, and I'll see you next time.